hope you are all fine. We have a new grammar lesson today. Pay close attention and listen carefully. Today's lesson is modal verb. The first modal verb that we are going to talk about is must and mustn't. Must is used to talk about rules. It's used to express obligation, like the things we need to do or we have to do. Must is followed by an infinitive verb. For example, you must be on time. You must listen to the teacher. You must do your homework. Mustn't is the negative form of must. It's used to say that you are not allowed to do something. Mustn't is also followed by an infinitive verb. For example, you mustn't use your phone in class. It means that you cannot use your phone in class. It's not allowed. You mustn't run in the corridors. You cannot do that. It's not allowed. Let's practice all together. Number 1. Drivers must or mustn't stop at the red light. Do you know the answer? Yes, correct. Must. Drivers must stop at the red light. Number 2. You must or mustn't eat during the sessions. Can we do that? Can we eat during the session? Of course not. It's mustn't. You mustn't eat during the sessions. Very good. Number 3. You must or mustn't put your rubbish in the bin. Yes, exactly. You must. You must put your rubbish in the bin. Number 4. You must or mustn't keep dogs under control. Do you know the answer? Yes, you must keep dogs under control. Another modal verb that we will talk about is should. We use should to give someone advice, what we think is the best. Should is followed by an infinitive verb, like all the other modal verbs. For example, number 1, you should brush your teeth 3 times a day. Number 2, you shouldn't eat so many sweets. Let's practice. Number 1, you should or shouldn't exercise every day. Yes, you should exercise every day. Number 2, you should or shouldn't go on a diet. You are overweight. The answer is you should. Very good. Number 3, the kids should or shouldn't spend so much time watching TV. The answer is the kids shouldn't. Another modal verb is might. We use might to say that we aren't sure about something. Might is followed by an infinitive verb. For example, it's cloudy today. It might rain. We are not sure. It might rain. Number 2, I might go to the club. I haven't decided yet. I'm not sure about it. I might go to the club. The negative form is might not. Might not plus an infinitive verb. Mike is tired. He might not come today. Number 2, I'm late. I might not catch the bus. That's all for today. I hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you.